Hi guys! Today we're going to show you a track for Thomas with the Thomas train with a shark face.
Oh wow.
Let's get started.
Okay.
We're going to show you.
Wow.
I'm going to show you how Thomas don't leave that. So I don't.
Wow, look at the shark face.
Look at this.
Oh, that was too fast. Can you do it again, please?
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's go.
Oh wow.
Oops.
Oh, what are you doing, Usman? Ah.
That's so cool.
Nice. Good. Usman, you gotta move your hands.
Okay.
Ah, and then does Thomas go round and round also?
I don't know. No, he doesn't.
No,
He
doesn't.
does.
It does? It's up to you, I think.
He does.
Yeah.
He goes by itself.
Oh, really?
A little bit. Just
Little bit.
look.
Oh, okay.
What about cars?
I like the shark face.
Now we're gonna put cars on it. Now we're gonna put.
Oh, you want to play with the cars also?
Yeah.
Okay.
Down track. Oops. What happened? Where's go, sir? Oh. You're gonna move your hands. You're gonna move your hands. I'm put it here. I guess it's going.
Oh, wow.
I'll put it down. Did you see what it did? It turned around.
Yeah.
Go, Mr. Stuck.
You gotta push it. Omar, you gotta push the car.
Okay.
Yeah. You gotta push the car. Ah, this was nice.
And you know when Thomas went,
Yeah, he was nice.
he bumped his face.
Because they have made it for Thomas only, not for other cars.
No, Thomas bumped his face. Thomas bumped. Let's put this part out.
Oh, this was nice.
Son, leave your hands down. No, leave it. Oh, no. Whoa.
It just jumped out. Nice.
Two cars inside. Now we're going to try some cars together.
Okay.
One is this. One that. And one this. And one this.
Oh, how many are you putting together?
Oh, and grandma's.
They all came down?
Let's try only these two now. One. What about this? No, this. Only this. Only these. No, that's
Wow, they're going together.
Oops. Ah! They went together. I did it. I pushed them together.
You push them together?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was like,
Wow.
One,
Two, three.
Wee.
Nice.
Oh, that's cool. Let's go try up here now. Up.
Oh,
Almost done yourself. Ready?
yeah.
Oops. What does it? Oops. Bye. Bye, guys. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel, Whiz Kidz.
Okay, bye.
Bye.